Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, making a French Martini. The French Martini was created in New York City in the 1980s.
Whoa.
Yes.
French Martini was created in New York City?
It sure was. I'll tell you why.
Yeah, why?
We use a French ingredient. The Chambord we use for this cocktail is a French raspberry liqueur.
Aha.
That's why.
So French ingredient, French Martini.
French Martini. Make a little sense.
All right.
Okay. Well, in addition to the Chambord, we use vodka. Today we're using Kel 1 vodka, one of my favorites, and pineapple juice. Very simple, 3 ingredients. Let's make the French Martini. All built in a cocktail shaker. We're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. Then your next ingredient, we're using Chambord, that French ingredient. We're looking for a ½ ounce.
You know, Chris, I've actually heard this drink made with Crème de Cassis.
You are correct, and I'll tell you why. So Chambord made with raspberries. It's a very sweet fruit. The Cassis use currants, which is a very bold, drier fruit.
Aha. So if you don't like such a sweet martini,
You would substitute for the Cassis.
and Crème de Cassis, that sounds French.
It is also.
I think we're still safe calling it a French martini?
Absolutely correct.
Okay, good.
Correct. And then the final ingredient, we're using the pineapple juice. We're looking for 1.5 ounces. Now add ice to your tin with a shaker pint. Give it a shake. Now to the side here, we have a martini glass chilling with water and ice. We're gonna dump it out. Now with your Hawthorne strainer, we're gonna strain it up, which means no ice. Then for a garnish, we're gonna do a lemon twist. There you have the French Martini. Well, let's give it a shot, see how it tastes. Cheers. Tastes good. It's a boozy drink. The vodka comes through, but for subtle. It is very sweet from the Chambord and creamy.
Creamy?
Yeah.
What do you mean it's creamy?
It's creamy. The creamy from the pineapple juice.
Ah, like a creamy texture. Texture. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. So it doesn't taste like an ice cream sundae or anything.
No, or like an egg white or
Okay.
no. It's just
Creamy texture.
correct. Really good. Go home, try it for yourselves, folks. See what you think. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel for many more cocktails, and we're on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks a lot. Bye.